Hi guys, it's B. Jemison. I know I'm in a bad place, I'm sorry, but, oh, yep, I'm sorry, excuse me. So guys, I'm gonna eat a tortilla. Yeah, it's my first one, but it's okay. Okay, let's just get a bite.
Hey, don't get in those cars. I need to wash those. I need to wash this cabbage. It's sat for quite a long time. This is good dirt.
Yummy. Want another food? See? Almost done. See it? Bye guys.